my name is Karthik Sachdeva. I am a penetration tester at CyberKings India. So I've been asked question by Mufalai VP from Kannauр University. Sorry if I ruined your name pronunciation. So the first question is, what is the difference between ethical hacking and cybersecurity? Well, it is a really good question. The answer is a bit technical, but I'll try to keep it simple as much as possible. Cybersecurity is a domain. It is a field of study that comprises of different practices and methods to secure our systems, computers, or anything that comes under the cyberspace of an individual or a company. Ethical hacking is a subset of cybersecurity. It is also known as penetration testing. It is one of the authorized practice to bypass a system security, to find any flaw, theft, or any kind of vulnerability that present in a system to further secure it. Cybersecurity deals with both offensive and defensive security, while ethical hacking only deals with offensive security. It is the practice in which we try to break the application to find any data or any insecurity that may lead to any kind of attacks in future. So the next question is, best course in cybersecurity. Well, there are many good courses available online for cybersecurity. But if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to go for a networking course first. You can go for CompTIA courses, or you can opt for Cisco CCNA trainings. But if you know basics of networking, then you can further go for practical ethical hacking courses available at any platform online. There are many good courses, but one of the course I would recommend you to go for is a practical ethical hacking by Heath Adams, that is on Udemy. Then you can further go for OHCP certification training, CEH training. They are a bit expensive, but they are standards in the industry. Next question is the role of coding in cybersecurity. Well, there is not much role of coding in cybersecurity, but it cannot be neglected completely. Python coding, scripting, bash scripting are some essential part of penetration testing in a current scenario. A hacker with good knowledge of coding will definitely have some edge over the person who doesn't have the background knowledge of coding. But there is no hard and fast thing that you have to learn advanced coding to become a good hacker. I hope I have answered your queries. Thank you. Best of luck for your future endeavors.